Is this yours, Will?
This is mine.
Go ahead.
And this is more of like a reactionary. It's a giant sturgeon fish in Canada.
They can be enormous.
What's a sturgeon?
I never
fish?
knew how big they can get.
What, like hundreds of pounds.
This one looked like a sea creature.
Oh, that's nutty.
Like
And-
just by how the water flows, you don't see perspective because there's no people in it or like rocks.
Right.
But you can kind of see the water flowing, and
That's a really
it's like
cool
big.
video.
You
This
just
is
get a sense
incredible.
of big.
With the mountain in the back, this obviously
Yeah.
must be in Alberta or out that way with mountain like that. But these are, as far as freshwater fish go, some of the biggest they can grow. There's some like record
This thing's
size
humongous.
ones that have been caught.
Must be very old too.
Gotta be. Yeah. What a cool, is that slow motion that it's filmed in?
I think it's slow,
Yeah.
but like the tail, you kind of see it
Yeah.
move.
Somebody in the chat says 150 pounds, 8 feet or so.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. It's like a human size.
What does it eat? Other fish? I guess so, right?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Smaller fish, I guess.
Beautiful thing. Cool.